Hello YouTube. I just got this package from China that I ordered back in January 25th, and it finally got here today. I'm pretty excited to open this package. I ordered 3 different colors of black, red, orange, JDM quick release fastener for the bumpers. It's a kit, so here's my unboxing. So here's the orange one. Come with the 4 fastener, 2 rubber tied down, and the hardware come with the 4 washer, 4 screw with the Allen wrench style, and then the 4 nut bolts. Here's the other set. This is the red one. And then come with the 2 rubber again. And then the hardware is the same. And then got a black one. So for your racing out there, if your bumper, if your car is lower and your bumper come out to, by scraping the sidewalk, this will be good for you. Easy to install. All you do is just drill holes, one on the bumper and one on the fender by the tire wall, and then you just fasten it with this rubber band. So it's like a quick release. You can remove your bumper out fast too. So, all right. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you like it.